Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of US dollar Swiss franc USD CHF for 8 April 2021. So this analysis is for 8 April only. You'll see me tomorrow again with the analysis for 9 April. I bring videos on daily basis so that you get to stay ahead of the market. So please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of US dollar Swiss franc, and as we all know, it was in good uptrend, nice uptrend, beautiful uptrend. But since this point market broke this support, it broke the support of 50 moving average, and now we can see that market is in under heavy selling pressure. Okay, therefore the beautiful picture is gone. Okay, and this is the overall chart of USD CHF, and you can see that market was in really beautiful uptrend and there was no doubt about it. Okay, beautiful uptrend, and seriously we got plenty of opportunities where I have also shared plenty of opportunities to make money, and hopefully you have made money also. Okay, anyways, this is the overall chart, and now let's switch to the weekly time frame, okay, to have a picture of the big players. So this is the weekly time frame. And as you can see, this week's candle, just look at this candle. This week market has formed a big red candle, okay, after shooting star candle from the previous week. Previous week market formed a shooting star candle, okay. Generally suggests that their market went up, but there was price rejection from above. The price could not sustain above. As a result, price had to come down, and see, this is the result. So what should be a strategy then? Okay. So right now this is the chart. Okay, the strategy is simple. Okay, the strategy is simple. You can see that market is coming down. Okay, so first let me tell you, seeing these red candles, you should not short the market right here, because if you short the market right here, then your stop loss will be, the ideal position to put your stop loss will be here, is not it? If you put your stop loss here, and this will be your target, because market has support here. Okay, so this is your take profit target. So this is your take profit target, and this is your stop loss target. So your stop loss is bigger than the take profit. Okay, so this is the wrong position to enter. It's not it. Your stop loss cannot be bigger than the take profit target. So this is not the ideal position to short term market. As I always say in my videos, that you should always look for the area of value. In this case, the area of value will be here. We can see that market has good amount of support at this level, this and this. So market is coming down, until market is coming down. So wait for the market to come down and hit this particular level. Okay, so when market will hit this level or reach this level, then your duty will be to observe the price, okay, and just try to understand the market psychology that time. So when market will hit this price level, okay, just try to read the candles, just try to read the chart carefully. If you see that market or price is taking support here, okay, price is taking support, then you'll get candles like hammer, price rejection from below, or a green candle like this. Once you get a confirmation that yes, market is getting support at this level and market, then you can easily go for a buy above this line. Once you get a confirmation that yes, this line is a valid support, this level is still providing the required support to the market, okay, in that case you can easily go for a buy just above this line. Okay. As of now, as market is falling, this is the only safe entry for you right now, or safe trading opportunity for you right now, okay, in US dollar Swiss franc. So this is it. Hopefully you have understood the logic and reason behind everything. So if you like the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.